even hidden right here, but we got them. Yeah, these black things you see here, they are the actually the roaches which are defecate. So these are defecations of the same. You can see this one were hiding right at the door, but they are all dead, as you can see. What up guys, how are you? It's another day, another moment to fight the damn roaches. So we are in Nairobi, Kenya, a home infested with German cockroaches. So we are live in the scene, dressing up, and let's show these roaches.
The big boss is.
We start with the day's highlights.
Prices and quality services. Kindly contact us via 0703 03 779 347 and 0703 779 347. Armpits cleaning services. We come to where you are.
We just created, so I want to show you the results. So what you see, those black things, those are dead kids and roaches. Yeah, you see, like this. It's a dead one. Yeah. And they die. They try to stick themselves right there, but they actually dead. They can't move. You see, they had formed a colony around that cable, Wi-Fi cable, as you can see. But we control it. We control that. Look at that. These are dead. And actually the grant also hired us to do some post-fumigation cleaning, so we shall give this house some deep cleaning and leave it as good. Holy cow, look at that. Look at that. All those are dead roaches. Look at this. Now, I want to surprise you. Look at that. They are all down instantly. Hatubahatishangi, they die instantly. And actually we turned everything upside down. That's why the house looks like this. So we did not leave anything unturned, including the family photos. I will not show the family photos due to privacy of my client. But basically you can see like we have turned everything upside down. It's for the next 40 minutes. Look at that. All those are roaches. Let me go and show you the kitchen. You are hiding all over, but now all dead. You can even hidden right here, but we got them. Yeah, these black things you see here, they are the actually the roaches which are defecate. So these are defecations of the same. You can see this one were hiding right at the door, but they are all dead. As you can see, then we can settle to night. That's it. Let's go. So my boy is just there with me. I can work on the other rooms just want to clean here. Yeah, some water with it. So let's see how it goes. Time to clean the damn roaches. Well, they had defecated here so much that they all turned into now see the difference. That's how the work will look. See you later, guys. Oh wow, I'm impressed. This is how the house looks after a thorough cleaning. You wipe the walls, the floors, the utensils, leaving the house as clean and as fresh as new. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please subscribe and let's create a pest aware community. Peace.